Hey folks, Photoman here with another video. Thanks for joining in on another one. The Airdrie Erratic is a massive boulder situated on roughly 6 hectares of land on the east side of Airdrie. The erratic is composed of coarse, bedded quartzite and features a large central fracture that divides the boulder into 2 large blocks. On the south face of the erratic are a number of barely recognizable ochre pictographs of geometrical shapes, and these markings testify to the spiritual significance of the erratic for the region's native peoples. Several other erratics are located nearby, but they are not included in the historic designation, and they are quite smaller. The Airdrie Erratic is part of the Foothills Erratics Train, a long, narrow strip of erratics which are glacially deposited boulders stretching from the Jasper area south to the American border.